Does your friend like sponge cakes? Let's cook one with a real sponge inside. Take a sponge and cover it with a delicious looking frosting, just like this one. Be sure to spread the frosting all over the sponge to cover it from all sides. Looks so yummy! Oh, don't forget to use some colorful sprinkles to make it even more realistic. Delicious! Let's find the sweet tooth. Hey Vlad, I heard you love desserts. Here's one with a special ingredient. Nice one! You must be so lucky. What's the secret ingredient inside? You wish it would be chocolate? Okay, you never know until you take a bite. What? A sponge? Is that your secret? Oh, that's how you treat your friends? Ew! A chocolate surprise egg! What could be better? Yummy, yummy! Can I have one too, please? Of course. You don't. Yum. Huh?
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Huh? You want some payback? Looks like Vlad has an idea of a good surprise. Take a real egg. Apply some super glue. Attach the straw to the egg. Now we can easily dip the egg into the melted chocolate. When the chocolate is ready, we wrap it up just like the real chocolate surprise egg. Now let's share with a friend. A surprise egg for you, sweetheart. Huh? For me? Thank you! I love surprises! Sounds weird. What's inside? Oh no! My face! Here you go! Thank you so much! Come on, it was so much fun! Have we got any chocolate spread here? Wow, a giant one! Wanna know how to make it? Okay. Paint a big plastic jar brown. Looks so chocolate! Now paint the lid white. Apply some clear spray. It will create a shiny effect. Stick on the label. Good job! Now, let's put some chocolate inside. Mix some silicate stationery glue in a container. Add some brown acrylic paint. And mix it. Add some liquid washing product to the mixture. That's enough. Wow, we can knead it. Now we have a slime. Put that chocolate butter slime into the jar. How about a sandwich? Oh, it smells so delicious. Let me get some. But, what's wrong with this chocolate spread? The spoon doesn't work here? You can take it with your hands. Wow! Let's see what we've got. A huge slime. So stretchy. Looks like a real chocolate spread. And so elastic. You would love it.